Trapped. The high price of being broke. It's a harsh reality that many face every day, a relentless cycle that seems impossible to break free from. Maria works 2 jobs, but money is always tight. Despite her relentless efforts, she can barely make ends meet. The cost of living keeps rising, but her wages remain stagnant. Her hours got cut, and now she's facing eviction. The fear of losing her home looms large, adding to her daily stress and anxiety. She needs $500 to cover the rent. It's a sum that feels insurmountable given her current situation. A payday loan place offers quick cash, but Maria knows it comes with a hefty price. The interest rates are sky high, and the repayment terms are brutal. This is her only option. With no other avenues available, she reluctantly takes the loan, knowing it will only deepen her financial woes. Like millions of others, Maria is stuck in a cycle, paying more for basic needs simply because she's poor. The system seems rigged against her, making it harder to escape poverty. This isn't just about bad choices. It's about a system that perpetuates inequality and makes it nearly impossible for the poor to get ahead. The system is designed this way. It benefits those at the top while keeping the most vulnerable in a perpetual state of financial insecurity. The poor often lack access to traditional banking, forcing them into predatory alternatives. These alternatives, like payday loans, come with exorbitant fees and interest rates. These alternatives trap them in a cycle of debt, making it nearly impossible to get ahead. The high cost of being broke is a burden that weighs heavily on millions, creating a cycle of despair and hopelessness. Loan sharks and bank fees bleeding money dry. The financial system is designed in a way that often preys on those who are already struggling. Payday loans seem like lifesavers, but they're more like leeches. They offer quick cash, but at a steep price. Imagine borrowing $500 with a 400% interest rate. It's a trap that many fall into, thinking it's a short-term solution. You end up paying back double or triple the original amount. The debt snowballs, making it nearly impossible to escape. Regular banks aren't much better. They have their own ways of squeezing money out of customers. Overdraft fees, minimum balance requirements, and ATM charges chip away at already stretched budgets. These fees add up quickly, creating a financial burden. Meanwhile, those with money in the bank earn interest. They benefit from the system. They pay lower fees for loans, mortgages, and even car insurance. Their financial stability allows them to access better rates. The more you have, the less you pay. It's a cycle that favors the wealthy. This system widens the gap between the rich and poor. The financial divide continues to grow, making it harder for those at the bottom to climb up. Cheap doesn't last. The buy twice trap. Ever notice how discount stores are in poorer neighborhoods? It's no accident. Low-quality products might seem like a bargain, but they break easily. This forces people to buy replacements more often, costing them more in the long run. Imagine buying cheap boots that fall apart after a month. You need new ones, so the cycle continues. Those with money can buy durable goods once and save money over time. This constant cycle of buying cheap and replacing traps people in a vicious loop. Healthcare and housing stuck in a cycle. Getting sick can be financially devastating for low-income families. Without good insurance, medical bills pile up, leading to debt. This impacts credit scores, making it harder to rent an apartment or secure a loan with better terms. Affordable housing is scarce. This forces people into unsafe neighborhoods or overcrowded conditions. These factors contribute to stress and health problems, perpetuating the cycle of poverty. Breaking free from financial constraints is a journey towards financial freedom. It's a path that requires dedication and a clear plan. Escaping this financial trap is not only possible, but achievable with the right steps. It requires meticulous planning, unwavering discipline, and a strong support system. Surround yourself with people who share your goals. Here are some essential steps to break free. Start with budgeting. Track every dollar you spend. Identify areas where you can cut back and save. Build an emergency fund. Start small but be consistent. Even saving $5 a week can add up over time and make a significant difference. Having savings for unexpected expenses can prevent a financial crisis. Work on improving your credit score. Pay your bills on time to avoid late fees and build a positive credit history. Explore options to build credit responsibly, such as using secured credit cards. Seek out resources that can help you. Look for local non-profits offering financial literacy classes, budgeting help, and job training programs. These resources can provide valuable guidance. Remember, it's a long journey, but every step you take towards financial stability is a victory worth celebrating. Breaking the cycle of poverty is possible with the right knowledge, careful planning, and a supportive community. Remember, you are not alone in this fight. Together we can achieve financial freedom.